Hi everyone, welcome back to another video sharing by Mpoto architecture and design. Today we're going to show you how to wrap the wall. We have a wall here with a couple window, the inserts, and the door. The wall is a brick wall from the outside with a CMU, the core. So if you want to wrap this wall, wrapping material of this wall, you have to click on the wall, you have to edit type. Essentially, when you see here, there's a structure, you click on the edits. This box here show you a wrap column. This wrap column, you see the check marks. That means those layers can be wrapped, those exterior layer, except the layer at the structure of the wall. At the bottom, different wrapping, you see at the insert, at the end, the one at insert. Right now, it says do not wrap. When you click the top arrow, you can wrap from exterior, from interior, or from both sides. And at the end as well, you can wrap the material from exterior or from interior. So let's say we need to wrap the material from the outside. Like here, you see the bricks stopped here, and you have an air space. Essentially, it shows like it's open. Let's go back. You see the airspace, it's open here at the door, jam, and also at the window. So we need to wrap that with the exterior material or interior material. For now, we have to go to edit type. On the structure, you put edits. At the top arrow, you can exterior. Okay, apply. Essentially, you see how the bricks wrap around the door from exterior face of the wall, and also at the window location, it's wrapping all exterior material. It's wrapping the bricks, it's wrapping the airspace, it's wrapping the insulation. But the insulation kind of stuff here, but we're gonna show you how to fix this in another lesson. But for today, we wanted to show you how you can wrap the wall from exterior. You can also wrap from interior. Let's say we wrap from interior. So now it's the interior material that's wrapped around the wall. At the window, it's stopped here. This is we can fix it for the family, but right now we show you how it's wrapping around the window and wrapping around the door. That's interior material. But usually I do wrap both sides, so I have interior and exterior material wrapping around the. If you're going to see 3D view, so you see how it looks wrap, which is nice. See. So this is how you can wrap the material around the room. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.